Hey guys, in this video I'm going to explain to you how you can unlock apps on your iPhone iOS 18. Okay, so whether they're locked with screen time, Face ID, or other restrictions, I'm going to show you how to do this step by step so you can quickly regain access. So first things first, what you can do is you can unlock apps restricted by screen time. So open settings and navigate to screen time. Alright, then what you want to do is you want to tap app limits and enter your screen time passcode. Find the app under the limits list and then tap delete limit to remove the restrictions. Okay, and what you can also do is you can disable Face ID or passcode locks for app. So go to settings, go to Face ID and passcode or Touch ID and passcode. Just enter your device passcode, scroll to use Face ID for, and toggle off app lock if it's enabled for certain apps. And then what you can do, guys, is you can unlock apps using third-party features. So if you have used a third-party app to lock your apps, open the app, enter your passcode, or use biometric authentication to unlock the app. And what you can do, guys, is you can restore access to hidden or disabled apps. So what you need to do is open up settings, click on screen time, go to content and privacy restrictions, then just enter your screen time passcode, then tap allow apps. So you want to toggle the apps back on to basically make them accessible. Then guys, what you need to do is you can try re-downloading the locked apps from the App Store. So if an app is unavailable because maybe it was actually removed, then head over to the App Store, search for the app, and download it again. Okay, and there you have it, guys. Your app should now be unlocked and ready to use. And if you found any value from this video, guys, make sure you smash that like button, as well as subscribe to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.